What's up everybody, Show Up 3.4 here bringing you another vlog. We just got out of the car wash. Actually, well, Ryan already had his car wash. I went through, it used to be a Firehouse car wash and it turned into a Mr. Car Wash. And I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed. It was a lot better than Firehouse. All new technology, like they got the truck pretty well and everything for a quick do, but the trucks are sitting there ready and lined up. We're gonna head to Woodward. Gotta stop and get gas for these hogs, cause you know, V8 life.
LS is so thirsty.
But who cares? And we're gonna we got a couple things to do and then we're gonna head down to Woodward, so let's do it.
Okay.
All right, got the hogs at the gas station. Let's fill these suckers up. Well, we were trying to get our points for like 50 cents off a gallon, but it didn't work. We sucked. Oh my gosh. So we started a little early. What I mean by that is we got on the road a little early so we can be going on the cruise and not get screwed trying to get on. Alright, so we left McDonald's, we got back on, everybody peed, so we don't have to stop for that for a while. There's Ryan behind me, and we're just gonna cruise. Like I'm driving a normal car, which like compared to all these cars here I am, but you know, like I'm sitting next to that car and I get on it and I can't even hear my own truck. It makes me sad. Well, we're technically not even on Woodward yet. Someone just did a burnout. I can tell you right now, there's no way I'm gonna be able to get near a quarter of this recorded just because there's just stuff going on everywhere, but for my first time, it's pretty sick. Ooh, a Holden. That's good. Literally, everybody's doing burnouts. I just did one, kinda. I did one wheel because I got problems, but I might do it again. Just cars on cars. Jeez, oh Pete, there's everything in there. One, two, and look in the rear view. This is actually pretty sick.
They're all wearing green shirts.
They're all wearing green shirts, she said. They got Woodward stickers on them.
Yeah, you can get those stickers. I don't know where.
That is the coolest thing ever. That is a freaking posse right there.
Dude, this is swag gold right here.
Caught it up.
Dude, okay, so even cooler. This one's from New Jersey. That one's from Oklahoma. The one behind it's from Michigan. I think they all squatted. Yeah, that's pretty sick, dude. So Ryan's on the phone. Well, Ryan's on the phone right there, and he's talking to some guy, and apparently they're all from. Well, obviously they're all from different states, but they all got together on Facebook, and that's awesome.
Oh, up a little bit.
I said, here she comes. Go. Jay needs a piece of gum.
Trucks in the American way. Yeah.
All right. My Dream M5 right there. Ryan's still in front of us. And this truck's in the way, but we got a pretty good lineup up there too. Oh, and I missed it. There was some guy, he was handing out candy, and he gave, we're in the right lane, so he was giving everybody candy. And he came up to me, he's like, you want some candy? I was like, hell yeah, I want some candy. He's like, good, you deserve it, you drive a Ram. I want this car so bad. Hell yeah. Alright, so we stopped for a minute. We're gonna meet up with Andrew Herschel and go get something to eat because we're all starving and we all gotta piss. So that's what we're gonna do. Yeah. Okay, people going north get way more rowdy. That was a bad. Sorry. So we met up with Andrew.
So we met up with Zach. Yeah.
What is this? The end of Fast Furious 7 or what?
No, dude, that's...
Oh, that's my next car.
Zach.
Oh my God, so beautiful.
Sorry.
This Challenger.
Oh, it's a Herschel.
Looks good. Looks good. First equipped. ZR1.
Zach's over here fanboy over Mopars. Nah.
I fanboy over both. Just this more.
Same. Dude, just hold the camera up.
I know, I just gotta keep it. Dang.
Michigan truck Republican. Hi.
That's awesome. Okay,
Lauren.
I need those wheels, guy. Right there. This on camera, real quick. Show the vlog.
So Jay, how was Zach going?
It's dangerous to drive in this as a car guy because your head is anywhere but the road.
Oh yeah.
Like, it's on the road, but it's on the wrong road. You're like, oh, my, and then it's like, oh, red light.
Both of our vlogs right now are just like, they ain't turning out so hot.
No, they're just everywhere.
I hope you're just enjoying the random cars.
You guys remember that G8 in the video from Heritage?
This was like 3 days ago.
That's the car right there. Would you look at that?
Oh, Zach, there's the engine.
We are going south.
No, north.
Oh, it's starting to get hazy, boys. Starting to get hazy, and it is not fog or weed this time.
For Camaro.
Ooh,
Yes.
ooh,
Yes.
I dig. Cars, get out of the way.
Everything's going on right now.
I know, I don't know where to look. This is a really good spot. The camera's just going in circles, guys, I'm sorry. Okay, we got Andrew Herschel and his friend Lauren in the bed of the truck, dropping them off at their car. And then we're gonna keep heading on down Woodward.
All right. I'm still in Zach's truck.
Excuse me?
I'm stealing the truck.
Yeah, the hell you are.
Dude, I miss my V8 so much. Oh my God.
So we were trying to get back on Woodward to go south. Right now I got Ryan and Andrew both behind us. And there was like an accident or something, or I don't know if somebody was pulled over. We tried whipping around. I didn't know you can't turn left on Woodward, so we got all mixed up. But we're back on, we're zigzagging to Woodward. It is 9:30, and we're gonna continue to head south toward D-Town. right, so long story short, we tried to head to Woodward, and because the cruise technically ended, they closed Woodward down, and getting back on Woodward was such a hassle, so we are just going to head to 75 to go to D-Town. Brian's filling up the Trailblazer SS. We got Andrew in the ST and the Ram. We're gonna be heading out. We can't get away from the traffic. Normally I don't care, like I don't hate traffic at all, but like it's everywhere, even on 75. Come to Greektown parking lot. Greektown was $30 to park. There must be an event going on or something. So we're gonna keep going to find another parking garage. We ain't done yet. It's only 10:30.
Sit on the rooftop of the parking garage.
Oh yeah, you're right.
All I saw literally.
Well, after an hour and a half, we parked. It's about time.
First floor.
Elevators.
I don't come down here, no.
5 guys. Well, actually, there's 3 of us, but Jalen's a guy. We're hitting the people mover.
TMI.
Just saying.
First time I rode the people mover was our anniversary.
Really?
Yep. Is this where we? No, it was.
This is literally sitting
where
right here. We met. I'm putting that in, but I should not be saying things like this.
Nobody in there now.
Sick. Oh yeah, there is. Fun fact: I started my vlog in my truck paint this morning. I cleaned it. I was like, "Oh, everybody, welcome to the vlog." I was like, "Ah, gotcha." Oh. I felt pretty cool. You guys all think it's stupid, but I thought.
What, you said you started like cleaning your truck this morning?
No, I cleaned the truck. And I started it by opening the vlog in my paint. It looked like I was in a mirror. And I was like swiped over and you saw the tire and it was me.
Oh, sounds like you need a new house.
You can't see crap.
It's just, it's not really, like, we haven't put a roof on it, so
That's a nice escalator.
you hear a walk backwards down the escalator, Jim?
Eskimolator?
Get chips off it.
Happy now?
I'm very happy. Did you record it?
I did a little bit, yeah.
That was fun.
Yeah, I got an appreciation for all cars, but V8's just talked to me the most. Well, Jalen's already passing out. Say goodnight, Jay. To the camera. Say goodnight. I can't hear you. What? Blow him kisses. Whoa! The smell of your truck is hurting the environment.
Yeah.
Hey, the smell of my clutch is hurting the environment.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, that sucks for them, doesn't it? Well, this is it, guy.
It is.
You got
12:30.
20 minutes, we got 2 hours.
I'm ending Zach's vlog too. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to both of ours. Make sure to spontaneously talk about cars.
Frick out of my truck.
Supply this truck.
Frickin'.
Something about subscribing, you know, hitting that notification bell.
If you want.
Like and comment down below, but only do it in my videos. Because he already gets ad revenue. So
I need it.
Hey, I got better tip. Don't do either one of those.
wait a minute.
I got a better tip. See this guy on the road, swerve right into him. All right. We're on our way out. Gonna head back home. Got about 2 hours. Here we go. This is awesome. Well, I guess we're going underwater. Holy frick. Holy crap, dude. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, don't forget to hit that like button and comment down below. Everything we got left, we got Woodward out of the way. And the day you're seeing this is Tuesday or Wednesday, depending on when you click on it. What we got left is this weekend we're going drag racing. The day after that, we're gonna both fix Jalen's car and get my motor assembled, and then we're taking off to go to Atlanta. So hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next vlog.